a bunch down here. Hi. Hello. I'm not sure, but it looks like they go inside of that, which would be awesome. That would be a safe spot for them. But there's a... Hi, Kikus! Yeah, you can get under the fence there. I just threw some food down. Hi! I see the food, I want to eat it. The cat looks like he has a Nike symbol on him. Oh, what do we have here? Hi! Hello! Hi, baby! Oh my God, you're so beautiful! Hi! Hi! Hello! Come, Kiki! Here we go, eating the food. I told you there's a lot of black ones. Oh, God, help me help them. I beg of you, please help me help them. I just want to have the money to be able to come down here, trap them all, have them all vetted, and be able to just like run wild on one of my properties. Big old farmhouse, fields. Sweet baby. I love you. Most of it's on the other side. I don't know why they're coming out here. But, yeah. This is what my dreams are made of. I just want to help them. That's all I want to do is to be able to help animals in need. I got the Black Cat Central Station here. I love them so much. Alright, I gotta go home.